Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at this antique wire cage rat trap. This is a live catch trap capable of catching multiple animals, and around 100 years ago this was a really common style of trap. Here's a hardware store ad from 1927 where a dozen of these sold for $13.90. Back then that made this a pretty expensive item, but it works well. It consists of a wire cage here with two different chambers. This back chamber is where you put the bait. Then we have a front chamber with a wire funnel. The animal will enter. Want to get that bait? The only way they can get to the back chamber is to step on this trap door with a counterweight. When they put their feet on there, it will go down. They can squeeze through, and then when they step off, it closes. That way you can catch multiple animals, and in the morning, the back is full of rats. Then you can dunk the whole thing in water, and when you're done, you can open up the back here, remove them, and reset it. Now I'm really curious if this is going to work. And I have a problem with chipmunks in the barn. Chipmunks are a cute animal that's protected, they're not rats, so I need to catch them alive and let them go in the wild. Last week I tried a cheap live catch trap from China. That thing was a piece of junk. The chipmunk would go in there, step on the trigger, and then run out before getting caught. I'm curious if the chipmunk will go in the back chamber and get caught on this antique trap. So let's go set it up in the barn, see if a 100-year-old trap can do what the modern trap from China failed to do. This antique cage trap worked quite well. We have our chipmunk in there. He went through the wire funnel in front, hit that little trap door with the counterweight, wanted to get that bait, stepped through, it closed behind him, and he's caught. Last week I tried to get this chipmunk with a live catch trap from China. That thing was a piece of junk. He's way too fast, he's able to run out. But this trap worked well. I love testing out old traps. The designs are usually really good and they work. Since this is a live catch trap, we're going to let our chipmunk go. He's been doing a lot of damage in the building, but out in the wild, he'll do just fine. We'll just open up this back door and he can run up the tree.